Hi, I'm Zikin. I am from the Singapore Academy of Law. It's a pleasure to be here in Rwanda to be able to share some learnings of Singapore's journey in this whole space of digital law and regulation. Singapore and Rwanda have many features in common. We are both small countries in the middle of a much larger neighborhood, and we face very common challenges. It is hoped that whatever lessons and information that I have shared will be helpful in designing policies for digital regulation that will be effective. It is also equally important that whatever we share will be adjusted and contextualized to the history, the circumstances, the culture of Rwanda.
Hi, so I'm Linus Chigankeni. I'm with the Chandler Institute of Justice. Our organization is collaborating with our sister organization, the Chandler Institute of Governance, and the Ministry of ICT to consider and review how we can position Rwanda in this new digital age in which we're navigating. Taking a look at the legal regulatory frameworks to consider what is the best in view of existing contextual challenges and in view of the developments that are taking place internationally, but also trying to tailor them and give you a Rwandan solution.
I think this workshop will help bridge the gaps in the regulatory frameworks, especially in protecting the users and emerging technologies and this changing digital environment.